Okay, now that there's a break in the neighborhood noise here, I'm on my 2012 Ram, and we're looking at the third brake light and the common leak point on these. Uh, Long story short, it seems from factory there's I don't know if they use RCV or some sort of a gasket, but it doesn't last. I've seen these leaking on the 4th gen Rams, as this one is the 4th gen, and even the new 5th gens, actually, in my opinion, 4.5 gens. But we're going to address that issue with this gasket I got off of Amazon here. I am not sure if any trimming is going to be needed, but we'll take a look. I will include the link to this purchase on the description below. Alright, first things first, so just 2 Phillips screws side by side, and we'll be removing them right now. Okay. Okay, looking at this third brake light assembly here, as you can see, there's no RTV. There's the noise. Okay, back to this. You see there's a foam style gasket. I guess that looks pretty shot. Truck is 9 years old, so it wasn't actually, maybe it was leaking a tad bit, but I just wanted to address this before, I had no time to do so. Okay, so we're going to take this clip off right here, the white one, to release the third brake light assembly. Then I'll work on this inside and remove the old gasket, and should be able to just put the new one on. Now that I have the third brake light released, I have the new gasket here. I just want to line it over it just to see check the fitment. Looks pretty good. You can see the edges line up. Length is okay. I'm not sure exactly what this piece was here for. Probably the reason why this part was like 11 bucks. Overpriced all hell. But what are you gonna do? Just to get an idea of the crud that accumulates there. I just cleaned that, and look at all that just from that third brake light. I'll clean it in here as well. Okay, so that's all cleaned up, the gasket mating surface here, and I actually put some dielectric grease on that connection there. I like using dielectric grease on all my electrical connections on automotive applications. Okay, so what felt like forever is I got the old gasket off of this third brake light, as you can see here, nice and clean. I hit it up with some rubbing alcohol real quick, and I've had this new gasket out on the bed cover here in direct sunlight, so it should be pretty sticky. So I'm just gonna place this guy onto this third brake light, and it should be straightforward. I also would like to point out the difference in thickness between these gaskets. The new one, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but the new one's noticeably thicker than the OEM one. Okay, so I have the new gasket firmly pressed on there, as you can see, all the way. and looks like the fitment was pretty spot on, so should be a problem. Now I'm going to mount it. I'm going to try to do it evenly. Don't want to go one side all the way. I don't think gaskets like that too much. Well, that seems to be it, but I don't know. I might go back with some clear silicone and do the top and sides here. That's it.